Hey, Spy Ninjas, Chad lost his mind. We tried everything to bring it back, but it's not working.
Did you say Nevermind? Because that was a fantastic album by Nirvana. Came out in 1991.
It's because Daniel and Melvin's parody music video didn't work.
At least we tried something.
Yeah,
it was
we did
really good.
Yours wasn't even funny.
We tried first.
It was super funny.
No, it
And it was
wasn't.
high energy.
Yeah, rock and roll.
That's what we need to save Chad.
Yours was like so weird and like spooky kind of.
What are you talking about? Our awesome dance moves were all great.
And we had cool costumes.
It doesn't even seem age appropriate.
Yeah.
What are you talking about?
It was too... I don't know. Chad, whose music video was better?
Yeah,
Yeah, Chad. Yeah, tell us. Chad?
Hey, Chad.
Chad, where'd he go?
What the heck?
Chad.
Look what you did, Regina.
What?
You were watching him be?
Yeah, you pointing fingers.
You know what? I'll beat you up.
All right.
Oh!
Hey, new video on my channel. Ready?
Melvin, jeez.
Focus, guys. I'm getting a call. Okay.
Hey, V. Hey, Spy Ninjas. I'm here.
Chad?
Wait.
So this hacker got me while you guys were arguing and did a fantastic trucker's hitch.
Wait, you're trapped right now?
A hacker did this to you?
How did that happen in like 1 second?
You guys were walking and you didn't notice me, so...
Well, where are you? You can't be that far.
Which tree is it?
Hey, give me that thing! Oh, Spy Ninjas!
Someone in 5.
Look who I got here! It's Chad Wild Clay! Ever since I zapped him with that transducer, he's so easy to capture! I got him trapped right here! If you ever want him back, you gotta meet me at the park in 30 minutes for a rap battle royale!
A what battle royale?
I don't even
Rap
remember.
Battle Royale.
Rap?
In 30 minutes? That's pretty soon.
Everyone knows Project ZORGO's got the flyest MCs! Show up in the next 30 minutes or you're never gonna see Chad again! You better practice up, cause if you lose, he's ours forever! Bye!
Okay, guys, we got only 30 minutes.
Okay, well, he's somewhere in this park. He's tied to a tree. I say we just do the rap battle, because we'll obviously win.
Yeah, only because I'm here to save the day. Y'all don't know how to roast and rap battle.
It's true, guys. I mean, there's only so many trees in this park. Let's just split up and look at each tree and we'll find Chad eventually.
That's more logical and fast, right? I don't know. I'm not sure about the singing and rapping, guys.
Are y'all scared of a little rap challenge? Huh, I thought you guys were the Spy Ninjas.
I'm not scared. We're not scared, right, Daniel?
No, I'm not scared. Did you see my performance in that rock and roll royale?
Yeah, but all of our performances were just for Chad. And now we're gonna battle PZ members for Chad. Does that make any sense?
No.
We're gonna have to perform live in front of hackers without anything prepared.
Live? No auto-tune? No compression and EQ?
Well, let's practice.
We gotta practice. We only have 29 minutes now.
The first challenge will be a rhyme challenge. What other way to make your bar sound fire?
I don't know. I think we just go beat them up. We're strong Spy Ninjas. You're right, Melvin. PZ9. Let's just beat them up.
The Qwaint. We can't just beat up the hackers, okay? Because they have the transducer. They use it on Chad. Imagine if they use it all on us at the same time. Then the Spy Ninjas will be gone forever. Our personality's lost.
And I don't want to poo-poo in front of other people.
Oh,
That doesn't make you poop.
that's the transducer.
That's right. I don't want to be like boring Chad.
Yeah. Project ZORGO is still a threat. Just play by their rules. And I think we'll win.
Okay, fine.
Yeah,
Let's do the rhyme challenge.
Ready? Yeah. Clout.
Snout.
Shout!
About?
New word. Green.
Lean.
Mean!
Spleen?
Yeah!
Doing good. Let's do another one. Trash.
Lash.
Rash!
Harass.
That didn't rhyme. It's kind of there.
I'll give it to you. But that's not gonna fly in front of the hackers, you know that.
Exactly.
That's why I think we should just, fight them and beat them up. I'm better at that.
Let's step it up a notch. Battle Royale. Royale.
Boyal. Boyle?
Hi, Mom.
Oh, boo!
She's out.
You're out, Regina. Let's just do the tree plan. Let's look at all the trees and find Chad. Come on.
We need to keep practicing. We can do this. Do another word. Start easier. Why are you saying Royale? That's too hard.
Okay, well, an easy one then. It's a little faster.
What? A different beat? What the heck?
Chad!
Oh, that's my part? I didn't know.
Okay. Double time! Chad!
Mad!
Rad.
Ziploc, glad, bran? I don't know! I mean, glad, it's not rhyme, but
It rhymed. That's all that matters.
Yeah, just cut the Ziploc.
We're going down.
It rhymed in like a metaphorical sense, you know. Maybe you guys are ready enough, huh? Right? It's not all about the rhyme, it's about the content.
Maybe we don't have to rhyme all the time. If we're spitting fire and saying insults and roasts, they'll be defeated.
Bars.
All right, do another one then.
Oh, wait, guys. I just got a notification. Oh, wait, I'm sorry. Oh, we only have... Sorry. Wait, my alarm.
Are you in the tech guy, Daniel?
We only have 3 more minutes till the meetup is gonna happen. We wasted all that time doing the stupid rhyme game.
Yeah.
Oh man, someone's about to get zapped with a translucer again. We're doomed!
Oh, what?
Hackers.
There's a bunch of hackers.
Wait, and they're with Chad. He's tied up to the tree.
Okay.
Let me go, hackers. No, leave me. You've been very bad.
Hey, we have company.
Oh, well, look who it is.
Wait a minute, I know who that is.
Spy ninjas!
Yes. Help. Spy ninjas, help.
Here to get beat up in a rap battle, I see. Come and bring it, Spy Ninjas.
Now's our time, guys. You ready?
I'm ready.
Ready to rap battle?
Rap battle.
Cattle rhymes with battle. I'm ready.
Oh, yeah. Very good, V.
Yes.
I mean, yeah.
That's the spirit. We can do this.
True. Okay, good for you. Yeah.
So let's confidently walk towards them.
Oh, yeah.
Because we're ready.
Clout walk, everybody!
Yeah, what you taught me, Melvin.
No, the confidence walk that V taught me.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
Wait, that's the clout walk.
No. There's a surprise ending.
Yeah.
Maybe it's a his and hers kind of version.
Ready?
Spy ninjas, yay!
Well, if it isn't the Spy Ninjas, I didn't think you'd have the guts to show up. If you're ready to get beat by Project ZORGO, then let's get going. Rules of the Rap Royale. If we win, we keep Chad and we get his Minecraft password. If you win, I guess you can take him back to the safe house, but that's not gonna happen.
Well, hello.
Well, if it isn't the Spy Ninjas,
Let's get this. You ready? Who's first?
are you ready to battle Rap Royale?
I'll go.
Yeah, Melvin?
Yeah.
Boy, Melvin.
All right.
Let's do this.
Melvin, guys.
We're going down!
All right, Melvin, you think you got some bars?
I do.
Let's see what you got. I'm gonna start this thing off.
Bring it, 715.
Perlita rejected your proposal, made you wish you never asked. Everyone said you look better when you wore your mask.
Oh.
Snappity doodah.
Oh, jeez. I don't know if we can recover from that.
That was a good one.
You say you got clout, but you got nothing. YouTube won't even give you a silver play button. Oh, wow. That's right. Play more where that came from.
You killed it, man!
In your mama house is where that mask was made. You got no skills without that chemical upgrade. This is Las Vegas, not Noah Schwab. And on your skills is Parmesan. And you look dumb as heck with that empty wrist check.
That's my boy.
That was awesome.
Who's next?
I'll go next.
Ooh.
All right, Foop, let's see what you got. You're up now.
Yeah, let's go! Let's go, Danny boy!
Who am I up against?
Hey Daniel, you ready to rap battle?
I got a list of things I don't like about you. I'm gonna go down one by one. Do a nice rhyming scheme. I made a rock and roll battle.
I don't care! You're not talented like me!
Hit me with your best shot, boom.
Daniel's scared of me because I'm bad! Just go hide in another trash can. You couldn't even find a date to the prom. You know what else you'll never find? You're wrong!
You can't talk about family like that.
I think it's kind of true, though. I don't think we'll ever find our moms.
What? No, you can't give up on them.
Ever.
No, we'll find them.
Ah! Hot fire, am I right?
Food!
Got this, bro.
He made a your mom joke and those sting extra hard with me.
It's cool. Get him back. Get him back.
I'd love to see you try, Daniel, really.
You ready, Foonf?
Yes.
Foonf, there's just one thing I can't determine. Do you really even know how to speak German? You'll never beat Regina, Chad, and V. All you know is TikTok dances and saying hee hee. I don't smell like sauerkraut. What the heck? You can't battle, you can't hack, and you've got no neck.
Oh my gosh! I never realized that he doesn't have any neck!
He
That
doesn't.
was savage.
That was.
Yeah, facts.
Facts. Straight facts.
Yeah, attack.
There you go. Whoa, V, I think you're ready, girl.
Oh my gosh, is it my turn?
I got a lot of cleaning to do. I'm gonna go next.
You got this, girl!
Yeah.
You can do it.
Confidence.
Yes, confidence.
Go, V!
I'm surprised you even showed up, V.
I'm not afraid of you. I got confidence. The Spy Ninja's confidence.
Well, I didn't know you cared about your husband that much.
Of course I care about him. What is she talking about?
Your boring husband's already captured. You can't save him, V. No tutorial can make you a beauty like me. You've got the ring, but no diamond play button to match. Step to 409 and I'll throw you down the hatch.
Oh, savage!
Whoa, 409, you really got her good that time, yeah.
How embarrassing for the little one.
That's just me. Thanks.
49's got a point.
I mean, she is kind of a long way away.
We can get her there, right?
Yeah, if everybody subscribes right now, maybe we can do it.
Well, why don't y'all just take your phone, turn it right side up, scroll a little down, you'll see the subscribe button. If it's red, click it. Make it turn gray, make V's day.
Yeah.
How about that, though?
Prove 409 wrong. We're gonna get that diamond play button. You guys
If you
subscribe right now.
Yeah.
I got you. Let's go. The spicy senorita here to save the day. Try to hurt the Spy Ninjas, I'll make you pay. 409, you're conceited. About to be defeated by the stealthy, sneaky backpack attack queen. And not the world's clocks will never make you clean.
That was so good!
Yeah, right?
Where'd you get those rhymes all of a sudden?
You know, it clicked all of a sudden and then, it just... Oh, dang it, I think I lost it.
V, what happened?
She used all of her creative juice during the rap, and that's what matters.
I can't bring it out all the time.
All right, well, 314, let's see what you got. Your turn now.
Oh, please. Excuse me, lady.
Let's go, 314, let's go!
Personal space. Hey, you ready for some roast, sister?
Show me, sister.
Here we go. It's 314 pushing pens and papers. Your Oh, wait a minute. Shoot.
That was your PZ rap!
Oh, wrong rap. This is rap battle number 2. Oh, good grief. Oh, flummery. Oh, geez.
Yeah, number 2, like poo-poo.
Hey.
That's what you do in your pants.
That's not true. That's not true. Okay, here's the real rap.
Okay, come on, let me hear it.
PZ4, always falling down. If there was a queen on being clumsy, you'd take the crown. You're the master of disguise? That's quite absurd. What kind of a genius is always being captured? Better learn your left and right, and maybe kung fu, cause your best friend Mr. Bear won't come to save you.
Ooh. Yeah, well, Mr. Bear is just an inanimate stuffed animal, so it's like...
Maybe Dirkless can come to the rescue?
That's like the same.
Yeah, we always have Douglas.
Yeah.
Wait.
No, Douglas. Right? No, Dirkless.
Douglas is the strong one.
Yeah.
Douglas would get squashed.
My goodness, 314.
Easy on the suspenders there. But thank you. Hey.
Stud.
You slayed!
You got her real good, 314. I like that.
Thank you very much.
Here we go. 314, according to my calculations, think you're smart, but I'll give you an education. I can smell your leaky butt from your dirty hacker butt. Your rhyme's full of flummery, but here's a quick summary. Your fly is down and your pants are stained. Maybe one day you'll be potty trained!
Oh, get that away from me. I do not have a leaky gut. I don't know where those rumors are coming from. That was uncalled for. You better not put that on the internet.
Did you just poop yourself right now?
Hey, no. That's not true. Back away from me.
Whoa, yeah! Good job, Regina! Yeah.
Not bad.
It's pretty good, right, Melvin?
Yeah.
So it looks like it's a tie.
What? We can't end in a tie, you guys?
No way.
No. Let's do a group rap battle.
Ooh, yeah.
Group. Yeah.
Yeah, let's do it! Huddle up, hackers!
All right, they're not going to beat us. Get in here, 409.
Guys, I totally forgot I have this. The TRANSDUCER, the one that makes you poo. So while they're huddling up over there, I'm gonna go untie Chad, and I'll use this against them.
I like that. Okay. Make them poo-poo.
Poo-poo.
They'll go running away. to the nearest bathroom.
And we can free Chad.
Yeah, and bring him back to the safe house and get him back. Chad Wild Clay.
Not the mild one.
Yeah, with that many hackers having to go poo-poo, let's hurry up and do this.
Okay, let's go. Come on, Daniel. Chad, I'm here. I'm gonna save you.
Thank you. Oh, wow.
Oh my gosh, what is this knot? Okay, you're free.
Yay.
Wait, what's going on over there?
Hey, stop that. Hey, stop.
I got the transducer.
Oh, yeah. Shoot him. Shoot him.
Actually, I am.
Stay back.
Back up right now. I have the transducer.
Oh gosh. Don't point it over here.
Stop it.
Go get her. Oh no. Oh dear. Oh gosh, it happened again.
Good job.
Oh my gosh, it smells so bad. No.
Let's go. Oh my gosh. Go. Run.
Oh, I can't believe that worked.
I know.
Yes.
This transducer's great.
Hey, let's go back to the safe house. I just had an amazing idea to get Chad back to normal.
Really?
Yes. Let's go, guys.
Go. Yeah. Come on, Chad.
Let's go.
What is this, power walking?